In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to auto-refresh Google Sheets every 1 minute, allowing you to keep your data updated in real time for 2025. This is a fantastic way to ensure that the information you're working with is always current, which can be particularly useful if you're dealing with live data sources or frequently updating situations. So, let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open a Google Sheet. If you already have a Google account and have a spreadsheet in mind that you'll be working with, just navigate over to your Google Drive and open it up. If you need a new sheet, go ahead and create one by clicking on the New button and selecting Google Sheets. Now that your Google Sheet is open, guide your mouse over to the top left-hand corner and click on File. This will open up a drop-down menu with several options for you to navigate through. Here, you'll want to find and select Settings. You might be familiar with using settings to adjust preferences in other applications, and Google Sheets is no different in this regard. After entering the settings, you will see a list of tabs at the top of the window. Click on the Calculation tab. This tab is specifically designed for setting how often and under what conditions your spreadsheet will update its calculations. Configuring these settings correctly is key for achieving an automated refresh. Next, find the section labeled Recalculation within the calculation settings. Here, you have the option to choose when Google Sheets will automatically recalculate formulas in your spreadsheet. It's important to pay attention to this section because this is where you can specify how frequently your data should refresh. Once you're in the recalculation section, you'll see several options. What you want to do is click on the option marked On Change and Every Minute. By selecting this, you're instructing Google Sheets to refresh the data every time there is a change, as well as at 1-minute intervals. This dual setup ensures that you're always seeing the most up-to-date data without you having to manually refresh. Finally, make sure to save your changes by clicking Save Settings at the bottom of the window. This step is crucial because if you don't save your new settings, the changes won't take effect and you'll have to start again. Once saved, your sheet will now automatically refresh every minute, provided it contains functions or scripts that require recalculation. And there you have it. Your Google Sheet is now set to auto-refresh every minute, keeping your data consistently current.